today at TCT 2018 we're representing Stratasys and Desktop Metal. So we're showcasing a wide range of 3D printers, additive manufacturing stuff as well, and we've just launched the 3D Print Academy, so helping manufacturers, people who've invested in 3D printing technology to make the most of their technology. We find that companies need to kind of look more into new ways of manufacturing to fit into Industry 4.0. So traditional manufacturing still has its place, but additive manufacturing can help that. It can streamline products, it can get products to market faster. It's not just pretty pictures and colourful models like this. We are printing out jigs, fixtures, manufacturing tools for companies around the world, and they're seeing really good return on investment. So we think it's something imperative and really important for companies to include within their manufacturing workflow.